Hey there, I own Basement Builders, one of the larger basement companies in Southern Alberta. I used to do my quotes all with Excel and things like that. And the difficulty with that was just that you couldn't do it on the fly. It was difficult to manage. And you couldn't really go back and check about pricing and other things, custom bars, everything was fresh. And then when I was introduced into CostCertified, everything changed. First of all, I could send quotes that weren't just words. They had photos and descriptions and people could upgrade. And then secondly, I could remember by going back on what the cost of other items were. So what that did for me was allow my company to offer specialty things because it wasn't so hard to do. And then from there, setting off the quotes, being able to see that people have opened them, people have gone back, things like that. And then the invoicing and change order system is so quick. You just do what you need to do. It automatically prompts you to say, do you want to send this as a change order? It's perfect. So sometimes you may forget or things like that, or the customer may say, hey, I didn't authorize that. Well, you have full control of that and you can show that, yes, you did on this date at this time with this computer. So those two things were really important to me. And then finally, being able to just make sure my pricing was in line and that I wasn't missing any things. I guarantee I've not only have I won a lot of extra jobs, but at the same time, keeping my accounting through the system so much more strict and so much more on point has allowed our company to be more profitable, from the day we started. It's been amazing. I can have on the one side the jobs that are coming up, the other side the jobs that are in progress. Above that is the jobs I've invoiced, jobs I haven't fully invoiced, and jobs I've fully invoiced. So you can kind of keep an entire array about what's going on at all times. I would never go back. We 100% use CostCertified, and I don't see any other option out there that is anything as good or as good as what you need. It's perfect. Absolutely.